Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to go ahead and show you all how to get the modded version of YouTube, which is going to allow you to go ahead and actually go viral really easily. You're going to be able to get free views, free subs, free likes, everything like that, and boost your channel really quickly. And yeah, it's actually really easy to go ahead and download, but let me go ahead and show you all how the app works. So it's called the YouTube Plus Plus. You're going to be able to get it on iOS and Android, no jailbreak required. Let me go ahead and open up the app first and show you all how it works. So as you can see right off the bat, it does look a little bit different because we have some modded features added to the YouTube app. So as you can see, if you look closely, guys, there's this button right here that says add subs and views. So I'm on someone's video right now, and the way it works is pretty simple. All you got to do is tap on this button, and every time you tap on it, it actually adds more views to the video and more subscribers as well. As you guys can see, we just went from what was it, like 1K views to 20K views, guys, in literally two taps. As you can see, we're now at 30K views. So you can keep on doing this for your videos, and it makes it much easier to go ahead and gain authority on your account and go viral. You guys have to download this app. It's actually going to help you out so much. As you can see, we have now added 40,000 views to our video, and the best part about these views is that they're not botted views or anything like that, so YouTube has no issue with it. They will not ban you. These are completely legit views. They're not bots, like I said. So in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you all exactly how to download YouTube Plus Plus on your iOS or Android device. Let's get right into it, guys. First step, though, we just got to go ahead and open up these settings on our iOS device and go ahead and complete some, some tweaks and adjustments before we can actually download the app. Also, same thing for Android, but I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the iOS settings first, and I'll show you Android. So once you guys are in settings, you're going to want to go ahead and scroll down and look for General. All right, so once you're in General, you're going to want to scroll down again and look for Background App Refresh. And here we have Background App Refresh. Just go ahead and make sure that you have this turned on to Wi-Fi and cellular data. So as you can see, I have it on. Perfect. So once we've done that, go back here to the search bar and type in battery really quick. And what we're going to want to do now is go ahead and make sure that we have the low power mode fully turned off and make sure we have 10% battery charged on our phone. So those are the steps for the iOS device. If you're on Android, what we're going to want to do is pretty similar. Open up the settings app on your Android device and go ahead and look for battery in settings. So as you can see, there it is right there. If you can't find it, use the search bar. And once you find battery, go ahead and tap on it. And just go ahead and make sure that in the battery settings, you have the battery saver turned off. So this has to be fully turned off for this to work. As you can see, I have it off. Perfect. And also make sure your phone is charged to at least 10% battery. And after you guys download YouTube Plus Plus, and get your free views, you can go ahead and turn these settings back to normal if you want to. So now that we've done that, I'm going to go ahead and show you all exactly how to download YouTube Plus Plus on your iOS or Android device. It is a tweaked app, though, so we're not going to be able to get it from the App Store or the Google Play Store. But the way we get it is pretty simple and very easy. So open up your browser, and we're going to want to type in this website here on our browser, guys. It's called smmsky.co, everybody. So type this website in, smmsky.co. And what this is basically a tweaked app store that's fully web-based, so we won't have to download anything onto our phone. So once we're on the website, all we're going to want to do now is go ahead and use the search bar here at the top and go ahead and type in YouTube. All right, there it is right there, YouTube Plus Plus. Oops, I tapped on the wrong one. What am I doing? All right, so there it is right there, guys, YouTube Plus Plus, no jailbreak required. All you're going to want to do now is go ahead and tap on it, and you're going to see the start injection button right there, guys. Go ahead and tap on that button, and now all we got to do is simply wait for this to load. Give it about 15 seconds or so, and it should fully load up, and then it will take us to the final part of the download. But make sure you keep on watching until the end, and I'll go ahead and show you all exactly how to go ahead and complete it, and you will have YouTube Plus Plus fully installed on your device. And now you can go ahead and get free views, subs, likes, and more. So just keep on watching, guys. We're almost done with the download. There is one final step that we have to complete. While we wait for it to load, though, make sure to leave a like on this video. Subscribe with all notifications on. I would greatly appreciate it. And just keep on watching, guys. We're almost done. And now it's going to finally load up the final part of the download. So it's going to say, give it a second. It's loading right now. Give it a couple more seconds. Waiting. All right. So now it's going to go ahead and load up finally. So this is the final part before we can actually get YouTube Plus Plus downloaded on our device. It's taking a little bit longer than usual, maybe because these servers are overloaded. So yeah, it's going to load. Hold on a second, guys. All right, finally. So it loaded up. That took a little while, but it's going to say, please follow and complete the instructions of 2 free offers below to finish the injection process. Now, I know it says 2 offers. What I recommend you guys to do is just do all of them. So if you have one app, do one of them. If you have 4 of them, do all 4 of them. This will ensure that YouTube Plus Plus fully downloads. Now, I don't want to make this video too long than it already is, so I'm only going to go ahead and do one of the apps. I'm not going to do all of them. But yeah, you guys got to do all of them. That way it will ensure that YouTube Plus Plus downloads, because when I did this for the first time, I did all of them and that worked, and it was able to give me YouTube Plus Plus without any issues, and now I'm still using it without any revokes or anything like that, no bans. So yeah, just do all the apps. It won't be any issues. Each one takes about like a minute or two, so just do all the apps and everything should be fine. Like I said, though, I'm only going to do one app just to show you guys the gist of how you do this. but I don't want to make the video too long. But after you complete them all, YouTube++ will download it. Now you can go ahead and add subs and views to your videos. So thank you guys very much for watching. Looks like it crashed, but yeah. Thanks guys for watching, and peace out.